Steel distributors require extensive warehousing facilities to carry a large inventory. Often customers need them to hold stock and supply them on a just-in-time basis. One vehicle can have up to 30 different orders to deliver, so accuracy is paramount. The name of the game is keeping the customer happy, and young people who have been given a good grounding often find they have a flair for customer relations.
Well, from School C, I started engineering and managed to come across a steel job. Started off in the stores, moved up to sales, and then eventually to a rep. And I've worked my way up with the pay as well, which is quite good. And also I've got a company car out of it, so I can't really complain. Looking ahead, it's definitely a career move for myself. There's lots of places to go within the industry, especially within steel and tube. You can go right to the top, and they do push people to go through the ranks, which is good.
If you're into big machines, the red bud cutter at Fletcher Easy Steel would be right up your street. The giant loop is to avoid coil back and buckling. When export orders come in, this baby can cut the steel and palletise it at a rate of 2,500 tonnes a month. Thick flat steel is referred to as plate. We're going to look at some very thick plate also being cut for export. But first, let's meet John Leary, Production Manager Plate at Fletcher Easy Steel.
We process steel from any thickness up from 3mm up to 257mm. We have gas machines, purely just gas cutters, and we also have plasma processors. Surprisingly, we've trained up all our guys from scratch, and I mean, most of our guys have been with us a long time. And, you know, within months we can have them operating these machines. The main core value we emphasise on is safety, obviously. Now, since we've started SmartSite, I honestly can say that we've had no lost time injuries for about 8 years.
The main long products are structural columns, beams and channels, as well as hollow sections which can be square, rectangular, or round and tubular.
You come out of college and you can start wherever you want to start. And of course what Fletcher Easy Steel or Fletcher Building does too, we'll promote and push them through. If they want to go to university, if they want to go further afield, we'll look after them to do that for the better of A, them, and B, ourselves. We look after our people within Fletcher Steel. And when I started 43 years ago, it was very unique to have a woman in the steel industry. Now there's probably as many women in steel as there is men, and the opportunities are the same.
I'm the supply chain manager at Easy Steel, which means I look after, try and get the steel from the supplier to the customer. So the category managers and planners report to me, and I also look after the distribution centre in Auckland. At the moment we've got a lot of women in the supply chain area and doing so, planning what product needs to be bought in and liaising with suppliers and things like that, who of course come from all over the world. So again, it's a very global market, and that's fascinating in terms of the politics and the economics of the world that you're dealing with. And yeah, I guess as those people grow in their career, there's lots of opportunities in a number of industries.